Hey. So I just got home and I got a package in the mail. And I'm so excited. It is the sample for my generational curse breaker line. Let me take my coat off. Sorry. I had a dress. I got stuff all over me. Listen, I've been with kids all day. We had a dressy up day, and I dressed down one of my beautiful dresses. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. All right, I gotta put it on. Yes! Generational curse breaker. Why? Because it is our jobs to break down some of these traumas and stuff that our family and the government and the world been putting on us. It's our job.